My colleagues and I started the Life in Kyrgyzstan study in 2009 with the first data collection taking place in 2010, so quite a number of years ago. We realized there was a need in academic research to understand what was happening in Central Asia generally and in Kyrgyzstan specifically. There isn't actually on a global level a lot of research about Kyrgyzstan at the micro level, studying people and their livelihoods and what happens to them over time. We collected the first data in 2010 and we've been collecting 6 waves of this nationally representative household panel since then. So we're tracking 8,000 individuals across the country in all oblasts, understanding their lives and circumstances and what happens in their families. So basically the Life in Kyrgyzstan study is a public good, as we economists say. It's available for everybody to use who wants to conduct research with it. And to share an awareness of the study and also to connect researchers and practitioners and policymakers in the region and in Kyrgyzstan, we started the Life in Kyrgyzstan Conference 9 years ago.
So the idea of the Life in Kyrgyzstan Conference is to be the premier conference in the region for individual level analysis. What we believe in is putting the individual in Kyrgyzstan at the heart of our research, to understand the lives and livelihoods that people lead, to understand how we can make them better through evidence-based research that can inform policy-making decisions within the country.
Conference was started back in 2015, and since then it became a regular scientific academic event, and we bring together many circles, including researchers, other university faculty members, development institutions, and government and civil society.
So I think LIK is a great resource. I don't even think I've explored it enough, or it has been explored enough by everyone else. It's one of the few data sets that's very comprehensive on both individual, household level. It has a lot of gender specifics, which is very important, at least in my work.